We're in the Garden City, everyone. Do you know where the Garden City of Ontario is located?
Well, stick around and join us as we continue our exploration of Southwest Ontario. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to find out where the Garden City is.
Welcome back, everyone, to our exploration of Southwestern Ontario. And we are in the Garden City in St. Catharines. My name is Mary Morello.
And I'm Dodie McDonald, and we're with Home and Condo Market Brokerage. So if you're curious to know where St. Catharines is, for you that don't already know, we're just outside of Niagara Falls. So driving time from Toronto is approximately an hour. You can access St. Catharines directly across the QEW. You can take the GO bus, you can take the train. There's many modes of transportation to get you here to St. Catharines. And we're only a short few minutes from Niagara Falls, literally 10 minutes down the road. And of course, you've got the Queenston-Lewiston Bridge, access to Buffalo, and that is approximately 20 minutes. We're currently on St. Paul Street in St. Catharines. This is the downtown corridor where you're going to find lovely restaurants, boutiques, shops, anything you could want in this lovely walkable street. On top of St. Paul Street for a shopping district, St. Catharines also offers the Premium Outlet and the beautiful Penn Centre.
There are an abundance of schools here, everyone, and top of mind, of course, is Brock University with a state-of-the-art facility. There's Ontario First Performing Arts Centre as well, and of course, we cannot forget the Astute Ridley College. Niagara College is also a short commute from where we are standing right this moment. I can see why so many people want to live here in the downtown core of St. Catharines. It has so much to offer, more than just the shops and dining entertaining that we described earlier. It also is a hub for the bus terminal, library, business centers, QEW, 406, and as well, there's the head of trails to many of the wonderful recreational trails that there are around St. Catharines area. We are currently in Old Glenridge. Glenridge is such a quaint community. It's a mix of architectural styles, everything from old to new.
St. Catharines doesn't just offer Old Glenridge. You have many community options throughout the city. You have condominium, you have townhomes, you have single-family detached. Many developers have come out towards this area to put in some nice, beautiful new communities for everyone to enjoy coming in from the city.
My name is Mary Morello.
And I'm Dodie McDonald, and we're with Home and Condo Market Brokerage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to join us for future videos on Southwestern Ontario.
Continue watching our journey of Southwestern Ontario by clicking any of the videos you see here on the screen.